Subject and object pronouns.
When you write and speak English, you need to use subject and object pronouns correctly. What is a pronoun? A pronoun replaces a noun. That is, we use a pronoun instead of a noun. In the sentence, Ali threw the ball, we can replace the noun Ali with the pronoun he. We can replace the noun ball with the pronoun it. Okay, if a pronoun replaces a noun, then what is a noun? A noun is the name of a person, place, or thing. Examples of a person are Ali, Layla, the man, the teacher. Examples of a place are home, Saudi Arabia, the beach, the bus stop. Examples of a thing are a book, the TV, happiness, swimming. Are these nouns people, places, or things? An apple is a thing. Bob is a person. A boy is a person. A cup of coffee is a thing. Our country is a place. Flowers are a thing. Jeddah is a place. Jill is a person. A mountain is a place. School is a place. My sister is a person. A snake is a thing. A noun can be singular or plural. If there is only one person, place, or thing, then the noun is singular. Look at this example.
The boy threw the ball.
Both the boy and the ball are singular. If the sentence is about two or more people, places, or things, then the noun is plural. How can you make this sentence plural? That's right. Most nouns become plural by adding an S at the end.
The boys threw the balls.
Just as nouns can be singular or plural, so too can pronouns be singular and plural. If the noun is singular, we replace it with a singular pronoun. So, the boy threw the ball becomes he threw it. The boys threw the balls becomes they threw them. Let's take a closer look at how we know which subject and object pronouns we can use to replace nouns. There are two different types of nouns in a sentence: subjects and objects. Subjects come before verbs in statements. Usually, a subject performs an action. In the sentence, Kate likes the book, Kate is the subject. Kate, a woman's name, comes before the verb, likes, and performs the action. Book is the object. Book comes after the verb, likes. Objects come after verbs or prepositions such as at, in, and on. In the sentence, Kate gave the book to John, Kate is the subject. Book is the object. John is also an object. We need to know if the noun is a subject or an object because we use different pronouns for subjects and objects. Look at these sentences. Which nouns are the subjects? Which nouns are the objects? In the first sentence, who did the action? It was Sarah, so Sarah is the subject. What did Sarah take? Sarah took the book, so book is an object. Where did Sarah take the book? She took the book to the library, so library is also an object. Who did the action in the second sentence? Sam and Mike. So Sam and Mike is the subject. What did they do? They did their homework, so homework is the object. So remember, we use a pronoun to replace a noun. When we choose the pronoun, we need to think about two things. First, is the noun singular or plural? Second, is the noun a subject or an object? We use different pronouns depending on if the noun is singular or plural and if it is a subject or an object. The pronouns for singular subjects are I, you, he, she, and it. The pronouns for plural subjects are we, you, and they. The pronouns for singular objects are me, you, him, her, or it. The pronouns for plural objects are us, you, and them. If the noun describes someone else in the third person, we also need to know if that person is a man, a woman, or not a person at all. In the case of subject pronouns, if the person is a singular male, the subject pronoun is he. If the person is a singular female, the subject pronoun is she. If the singular subject is not a person, then the pronoun is it. For all of these, if the subject is plural, the pronoun is they. In the case of object pronouns, if the person is a singular male, the object pronoun is him. If the person is a singular female, then the object pronoun is her. If the singular object is not a person, then the pronoun is it. For all of these, if the object is plural, the pronoun is them. Be especially careful when using pronouns in the third person. To summarize, when you replace a noun with a pronoun, you need to think if it is singular or plural, and you need to think if it is a subject or an object. In the third person, you also need to know if it is a man, a woman, or a thing. Let's see what you've learned. How would you replace the nouns in these sentences with pronouns?
Muhammad likes to eat kebabs.
In this sentence, Muhammad is doing the action, so Muhammad is the subject. Muhammad is male and singular, so we replace Muhammad with he. Kebabs comes after the verb, so kebabs is the object. Kebabs is also plural, so we replace kebabs with them. How about this one?
The sisters gave a book to their brother.
In this sentence, the sisters do the action and are the subject. The sisters is plural, so we replace the sisters with they. Book comes after the verb, gave, and is an object. We replace book with it. Their brother also comes after the verb and is an object. There is only one brother, so the pronoun is singular. Because brother is male, we replace their brother with him. So, remember to check your writing for correct subject and object pronouns.